you doing? Yeah, you barking. Can you put your shoe on? Yeah. Can you put your shoe on for Mama? Can you put your shoe on? Can you put it on? Put on your shoe. Good boy. Yay. Maybe Mama can help. You want me to open this? Look. Okay, put your shoe on. You want Mama help? Help? Okay, Mama help. Help. Help, help. I can't put it on with one hand though. Oh, you want to do hubba hubba, hubba hubba hubba. Oh, it's on your head. Oh. Can you put the shoe on your head? Are you trying to get down? Okay. Scoot, scoot, scoot. 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 You can tickle your toes. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Yay! Good job. Hubba, hubba, hubba. Hubba, hubba, hubba. Mama's not going to bounce you on her foot. Back. 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 Where's your nose? Can you show Mama your nose? No tricks right now. Ball, 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 ball. Ball, ball, ball. Oh, are you bouncing? Can you sit on your ball? Are you going to sit on your ball for Mama? What are you doing? Hi.